What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. I decided to build some drawers for the back of this truck because I was tired of looking at this right here. So let's get started. So to start out, I recommend you pick the coldest day of the year you can find. It is, just love working in the cold. Not really, that's sarcastic. But clean the back of the truck out, give it a good sweep, get some junk out of there and some built up ice. So when you put these drawers in, they don't bump into nothing. Just slide right in where you want them. Next, I grabbed some scrap lumber and measured the spacing between the wheel wells. This is going to be how wide our drawers are. Now we're going to start working on the frame. I recommend that you square up your ends just so nothing's crooked when you start putting this thing together. And also, I want to tell you that I drank 10 cups of coffee today. I didn't speed this video up at all. This is how fast I really work. Before I put these screws in, I did drill holes with a countersink bit so the head of the screws sit flush. I think I used 2-inch drywall screws. Now I'm just gluing down a piece of FRP sheeting. It should make the drawer sliding in and out a lot easier. Now it's time to cut out the drawer sides. And I recommend doing this in the wintertime on the cold days, so your garage is packed full and you have very little room. Gotta rip them down so they fit. Wow, big surprise. The drawers screw together almost the same way the frame did. All right, we're getting somewhere now. One thing I want to say is don't be alarmed if this doesn't fit in here great, because this end has nothing keeping it from caving in on itself a little bit. So it might be a little tight right here, but the rest of the gaps are great. On to the video. I guess I didn't record the part where I put in some indoor-outdoor carpet. Probably my amateur recording skills got the best of me, but now I'm putting in some pine 4x4 pieces on the corners. That's just going to strengthen the corners up and make this thing a little more rigid. Just putting in some dividers. Put them wherever the hell you want them. Now we can screw the top on. The box itself is built. I must have forgotten to hit record or something, but this is the indoor-outdoor carpet installed. I did do 2 layers. The bottom one was a more rigid, thicker, heavy-duty stuff, and the top one was the color I wanted. Same process. Glue it and staple it. Here's my honest-to-God review on the Aero cordless staple gun. Don't even buy it. I'm taking it back after the first time I tried to use it. The end. So here's what's left to do. We gotta install some trim pieces to cover up in here. Same thing over here. And then it will be about done. Not bad, huh? There is so much room now. Added these aluminum pieces. Just has a little extra protection when you're throwing stuff in here. And a lock. Now, anything that's in here is nice and secure. It's done. Let's open it up. it is. Came out way better than expected. It looks really nice. I think it looks better in person than it even does on camera. But growing up, my father taught me how to use a lot of these tools, and I'm just so blessed that I picked up those skills. And you can build this too. It's not a difficult project. Just wrote everything down, and wait a second. I think Z1 Motorsports, Moog, and All Dogs Off-Road. I think this is our next YouTube video in here. Huh. Stay tuned for that one, guys. It's going to be a good one. Anyways, thank you all for watching. It means the world to me that anybody watch this video. Wait, hang on one second. Hello? Yeah, I'm filming it right now. I just wrapped it up today. I just finished it. Yeah. I'll be right over. Okay. Listen, I gotta go. Well, we're here. Hello. Hello. I'm here to fix the thing you called about. Hi, I'm Mercedes. And yeah, my switch thing's not working. Come on right in. Oh, nice drawer in the back of your truck there. Probably helps you have all your tools. Yeah, I'll come right in. I don't know, she's kind of hot. So the power stopped working, these switches right here. And because of the truck doors I built, I was able to grab my screwdrivers very fast, start working on these. But the biggest thing with electricity is you should always test it and make sure it's off first before you... Ah! Fuck! I'm done! Yes! This concludes the truck bed drawer video. Thanks so much for watching. I want to thank pretty much everybody. Everybody always thanks our first responders and our military for keeping us safe, and I appreciate them. But I want to thank the nurses, people who work at gas stations. If you're cooking food for people, you're all essential and you're all awesome. Pretty much want to thank everybody except for politicians. You guys suck.